Today I installed a Vanity. Here I am removing the pedestal sink. Had some foam sliders I used to move the new one around. Made it so much easier. It was pretty heavy. This never happens where the manufacturer's cutout actually fits everything. Here I finally got that piece of base and shoe out. Nice. I removed the back of the cabinet just to make access so much easier for hooking up the faucet and the drain. Here's all the parts for the new faucet. Here I'm installing the stems and the faucet spout. Now I'm making the manufacturer connections. Hooking up the drain assembly. Now I'm reinstalling that cabinet back. Sliding it into place, making my water line connections. Now my drain connection. Here's my water test. Here it is all done, and that was that.